Hello guys. So what I have here today is this is iPad 6th generation and the model number is A1823 and which is sent to us by one of our dealers that it's not charging, not turning on. They opened it and I think they have tried with another non-good battery, but it's still the same problem. As you can see, the battery is intact, nothing. So the first thing I have to check is if to check if it's charging port or maybe charging IC, we have to have a charged battery. So I will just check quickly if otherwise we can charge the battery on its own, which you can use this sort of cable here, see, to charge the battery if it's not charged, because we have to check if it's charging port, charging IC, or the board problem. Otherwise there is no use, I'm just replacing the charging port or charging IC or thinking something else which is not actually the problem is. So first of all, battery got any life, which it has, Okay, so first thing I would like to check straight away from my experience is to check the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth IC caps. Is it shorted? Was it shorted?
What happened at the end? Change the way to place this. Sweet. Am I able to buy?
No, it's not. It was just touching this.
Protector is fixed, bro.
Okay.
Some money. It's just it's been a long weekend with no fun, my guy.
Yeah, it's shorted. As you can see, this cap is shorted.
Is it iPhone 11? X Max.
Okay, let's check under the microscope then. So this is the cap which is showing it's shorted. Beside that, as you can see, the board looks all clean and mint. The next thing I would like to check is through the board view. So this is the cap here. Okay, of course it's not gonna charge because it's connected to then power IC here. Okay, so if this line is shorted, usually we can see that any capster which looks ugly.
Thank you very much.
So now some of the capacitors, which are these lines here, is located under the metal sheet. So we would like to check it before we do anything. So let's check. Here. Okay, I have to check under the microscope. Okay, this guy here. This guy here. Okay, is this what is the cause of this? I don't want to pull the pad just in case if we have to replace it, but it looks this one is coming out. Okay, let's check if it's short. It should be. Yep. Is this line shorted still? No, this is also shorted. It's still shorted. Still shorted. Oh, sorry, you can't see here. Where even after removing this, see, still short. Very low resistance. Yep. This is all shorted. Okay. I think I have to remove this that is left from that resistor and see how it goes. To me it's looked like maybe there is more than one which is shorted. See that fluxy thing? I don't know, but first of all I have to remove this here. That is left over. Not focusing here. Okay, let's remove this as well. Okay, now they are disconnected actually, as you can see. Okay, let's check. Maybe the other one also shorted, but no short. Okay, this is line, and now we will come back here again where we have traced the short, which is this capacitor here, which is on the same line. No short. Okay, now we will check if it's showing any life, any charge. We will connect the LCD. Come on, why are you moving here and there? Okay. Oh yeah, it's charging, as you can see. Yeah. So we will give it few minutes to charge. Okay, so finally it turns on and charging fine. And thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.